Hi guys, Arpan here, and today I'm going to show you how you can also pick explosive power play breakout stocks. Rule number one, look for an explosive price move in the stock on huge volume. Ideally, the stock should be up at least 100% or more in the last 8 weeks or less. So in this example of MassDoc, and the stock was up almost 130% in the last 8 weeks, and this move was on huge volume. Rule number two, prior to this huge 100% run up, the stock should be in a dormant sideways stage for a relatively long period of time. Before this huge 100% move started, the stock was actually trading in a very tight and range bound fashion for a pretty long time. This big run up is usually caused by a major news announcement in the stock, great earnings report, some positive development like a new drug approval for a pharma company, any news that can be positive for the company. Sometimes you'll also see an entire sector or industry group of stocks moving up at the same time. Sometimes you'll find that there is no reason at all. Rule number three, after this huge price run up, look for a consolidation period of at least 9 to 10 days. Ideally, I like to see a consolidation of about 3 to 6 weeks in the good setups. And during this consolidation, price should not correct more than 20%. So it should be having VCP characteristics. If you look at the volume, that should also dry up during the period of this consolidation. Volume usually dries up to almost the lowest that you have ever seen in the entire consolidation period. This is a tip off that the breakout is imminent and is about to happen very soon. Consolidation period, as it nails its end, I would also like to see the price catching up with one of its key moving averages, like the 10-day or the 20-day. Of MassDoc, the stock consolidated for about 16 days or almost 3 weeks, and at the end of the consolidation gave a big breakout on huge volume. A few examples of some trades. So Mirza International, if you remember, I traded this stock back in January this year itself. This stock was up more than 100% in less than a month. Huge power. Look at the volume. And after that, it consolidated, after which there was a gap and a huge breakout to the upside. Angel One, it started with a 220% run up to the upside in about 8 weeks, a lot of power. After that, it consolidated in a very tight 2T VCP with a dry up in volume, after which there was a breakout to the upside, and I think it did about 50%.